Siddhartha. Shija's original name is Siddhartha. Where is to go? Palace. Palace inside Siddhartha and wife. Yes, palace. Palace to go house. And this is a Pusa. First Dharma. Pusa. This is 2000 year old. This one original. That one very nice scene, Shijamani. Chinese language Shijamani. This scene Siddhartha.
Chinese translation Siddhartha.
Siddhartha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Indian style of
Indian style. Greek style.
Yeah.
Sheba.
Yeah.
Greek style. Ragnas with mustache.
Okay.
That scene. Pusa is a sitting often for people and for boats. Other one very nice scene. This scene Tazo. Tazo.
Holy Chain.
Yes. This is an angel, is a flower. Flower. Angel is a flower. This is all head one. To see standing, reaching, after by monkey, Hausa. Hausa Hannibal.
Ramayana.
Yes. Ramayana. That scene is a Sidon reaching. Pray. That one scene is a simple dress suit. This is a Shela, Greek style. Shela. And this is from Dharmaraji. Dharmaraji is other place. Dharmaraji is 2 miles. Going by car. Get to outside this way.
Okay, thank you.
This is a death scene. This one and this one. Right side and then this one. Very nice scene. This is a 2 stage. First Pusa, second Shijama.
欧洲人离他们远点，他们是这里的人肉炸弹。
Chinese language.
Second century BC to first century AD.
Pusa version coming on the Bhaktis. This all gully stop. Second gully inside, there is a change. Ball is copy, piece is original. Teaching and meditation. Tazo and Yuja.
Why Buddha said
That is a spiritual one. Big one, meditation. That is a exhibition time is a proper. That one Kotha. Kotha. This is a Buddhist people play. Play. This two-face, this man inside is a turban. Head. Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva Shijama. Turban. This side has only faces. This one very nice face. This one very nice face. This face is Dharmaraji in a different place. This head of crystal, small one piece original, gold line. Dharmaraji का आपने देखा हुआ? हाँ। यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर है। ऊपर जो है 1 किलोमीटर है। Teaching and meditation. meditation scene. These two scenes, Shakyamuni feet, then Shakyamuni meditation. Muslim inside, very nice face. This is a smiling Buddha, smiling face.
好漂亮啊！你是 female or male？
这没有动物这么简
Buddha,
单。
Buddha. This one smiling, other one serious.
哦，日本。
Serious face, smiling face. Lips inside, small smile.
它这些都是仿制品吧？是吧？
对，真正的还有人家香公主吧。
That one different monks people.
啊，
This future is a Indo-Greek.
银子杯。
Indo-Greek. Art plus Indo-Greek people.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see.
哦，这个窗户的，
对。哇，这是印度风格的，它都是印度人物。
Indo-Greek. Follower, monks, worship. This girlie inside. This one, that scene, meditation.
这个是真的吗？ Original。
Original. First gallery and this gallery same. This material is a copper. This made jeans.
镜子，yes mirror。
铜镜啊。
啊，你看这个小小的。有人在做那种文物复刻，然后打磨，把铜镜打磨特别亮。
That one different scene, teaching and meditation. With follower. Yes.
在中国传统里面，
电子上面，全都是电子上面。
This message inside is a Dharma.
还有太阳。
这没头了。
This one Shakyamuni.
还有猴子，
Glass side Indian style. Yes.
还有熊，中国是这样的。
在大卷上嘛，那这样中国是非常圆润的那种，就是敦煌的那个有一部特别典型。
This is a yoga, yuja, tazo.
一样，大卷。
This from Dharma Rajika.
9岁了。 这跟那个博物馆差不多呀，跟那个那儿的博物馆差不多，那博物馆
This side can dance on the faces,
差不多的。
Buddha faces.
但是它这个博物馆不比这些东西
印章
多一点。
还可以多岁。
Seeds, spend. Can you tell Inchan?
印章，
印章
哦，是有 ，OK。
印章。
这什么呀？
对呀。
这印是什么呀？
这是贝壳上面的。
This is a yoga. Yuja. These are all faces, Buddha faces.
这好像这不是明显雕啊？
Color use. Lips, eyes. Color.
就是原来那几位同学来点特别有颜色的，我正好都是
Original has color. Original color. Oh, so this is red. 你看这个嘴唇是红的，and this
高丽饼，高丽饼，就是油香，
知道，一个词汇真多。知道这个。
like a real people.
Yes.
有地方绑架呀，
This part is a different monks and this one Atlas, Shela. Greek.
所以
Atlas holding the world. Children toy. This is a follower, the follower. Follower, monks. Buddha, follower, pray. That material is a clay, water part.
Pottery， 陶是吧 ？Gina will.
This one copper and metal. This water part, this side Chinese styles.
Original.
Chinese styles.
Yeah, Chinese style. Metal object.
Yes.
这是真的。张哥，咱们这个
拿你们国宝为奖，对中国的文化的贡献。
收复的时刻到了，牺牲咱们2个人为祖为伟大的祖国做出一点贡献，咱们这打了
西郊吗？
我来拍一个中国的。
我觉得这个人很像，
国家四兄弟是吧？我是清末的少武。
This is a copper and metal. Then relics. Other pieces a oil lamp. This ones are very nice scene. This is a one-piece carving. Only one piece with follower. This two scene yoga. 6C Shakyamuni, 6C Kusa. Shakyamuni and Kusa.
This class by Chinese Buddha. Yeah. 文书首先会是sorry.
这是文书。
Last 3 scenes standing preaching. Pray. Lecture. This is a stone named schist. Soft stone. Easily worked.
一个耳朵。
Stone named schist. This is a soft stone, easily worked.
Easily work， 很容易雕刻嘛。
That belly inside within here is a
没
change.
关系，不懂可以问他嘛。可以再问。
是可以问，但是不知道中文。
These are all faces, Buddha faces, and this one thinking face.
Thinking，思考。
That one smiling,
哦。Thinking，
serious.
这个。
还是这么的冥想。
冥想。
他那个嘴唇都有这个嘴唇一般是竖着的。
啊。好难好。
中国的佛像不是这样的吗？
This is a photo. This means real change.
中国佛像嘴是这样的吗？这些都是这样的，都可以。触摸。
These are all original piece. This is a shell Greek style. This one very nice scene. This piece is more better. This scene Tazo.
What's his name? Anand Acharya.